grateful for you. All you gotta do, and I don't care if you just decide to go from, you know, maybe up in Orange down to Tustin or something. Change your latitude, change your attitude. That's it. Took off for a weekend last month just to cry and call the whole year. All the places and all the places, well, I wonder where they all disappeared. I didn't wonder if this would be long. I was hungry and wanted a bite. Ran into a chum with a bottle of rum. I wound up drinking all night. Attitudes, changes in attitudes, nothing remains quite the same. Through all of our running and all of our cutting, if we could have left, we would all go insane. Reading departure signs at some big airport remind me of the places I've been. But in the good times that brought so much pleasure, made me want to go back again. If it's suddenly into tomorrow, I can somehow have just for a fall. There's so much to see waiting in front of me. I know that I just can't go wrong. Changes in attitudes, changes in attitudes, nothing remains quite the same. All of the islands and all of the highlands, if we could have left, we would all go insane. Some big airport remind me of the places I've been. These are the good times that brought so much pleasure, makes me want to go back again. Oh, yesterday's over my shoulder, I can't look back for too long. There's so much to see waiting in front of me, I know that I just can't go wrong. Changes in attitudes, nothing remains quite the same. Through all of our running and all of our gunning, if we could have left, we would all go insane. We were not crazy, we would go insane. Hell, if I wasn't crazy, I would go insane. If you're over in this tent, make some noise. Over there, over there. And now y'all in this tent, make some noise. Now let's see, let's all do it together. That'll be good. And all you back at the Parrot Club tent, make some noise. There you go. There you go.
I saw him doing a giant selfie back there with 35 people.
An old tune called Come Monday for all you Come Monday fans. Heading up to San Francisco for the Labor Day weekend show. I can my hush puppies on. I guess a nibble was made for glitter and rock and roll. Honey, I didn't know that I'd be missing you so. Come Monday, it'll be alright. Come Monday, I'll be holding you tight. I spent 4 long days in a bright alley haze. Just want you back by my side. It's been quite a summer in the cars and westbound train. And now you're off on vacation. Something you tried to explain. Honey, I didn't know that I'd be missing you so. Come Monday, it'll be alright. Come Monday, I'll be holding you tight. I spent 4 lonely days in a brown alley haze. Just want you back by my side. You're enjoying the scenery. I know that it's pretty out there. We can go hiking on Tuesday. With you I'd walk anywhere. California's warm and then I just can't wait to see you again. On Monday, it'll be alright. Well, once again, we've got about 15 minutes till we give those tickets away. So if you haven't gone back and bought a raffle ticket from the Parrot, Orange County Parrot Club back there, go back, get some tickets. You can win 2 tickets worth about $350 or something close to that. Oh, let me look. $320 value, $5 for a ticket. Go back there and it goes to a good cause. It's called the Heroes Hall Veterans Foundation. And it's a wonderful cause. Go back, buy some tickets, and just give them some money so they can give it to the Heroes Hall Veterans Foundation just to be nice.